noticed over time is that when we hit a major town that has laundry facilities, Sandy will take the clothes and do laundry at a coin laundromat, okay? Bed sheets, all sorts of stuff, you know. But my clothes never gets in there. My clothes, she takes a bucket here on the boat, puts it in it, swishes it around a bit, and then it's done. See? I don't know what, she has it in for me. Why? Who would do that? Wow, we're having dinner out in the cockpit today, and there's the sunset's going to be fabulous tonight. Oh yeah. It's about 5:45 right now, so I suspect 6:04 the sun will go down. We're having dinner tonight outside. It's a beautiful evening. Tonight's dinner on the Navicula is spaghetti. Yeah.
White spaghetti, no red sauce.
No red sauce because at night I don't want red sauce because I have heartburn.
Yes, poor John.
Sun's gonna go down soon. This is a nice part, eh? Now we don't get to barbecue very much because of the wind.
Or sit out here because of the wind. Now, if we had enclosures around, then yes, we could. But we don't. So it makes for a very windy dinner if you don't.
Coke Zero. I love Coke Zero. Listen, guys, here's the trick. If we run out of Coke Zero on the Navicula, I'm going home. I'll turn this rig around and it's going right back to Florida. Yeah. No way. I get up in the middle of the night sometimes and open a can of Coke Zero. Just have a swig. Oh.
Most people get up in the night and they have a drink of water. Yeah. Coke.
Coke Zero is good for you.
Yeah. Builds muscles.
I love those sun-dried tomatoes, guys. So when we leave from Florida, we make sure that we have Coke Zero on board. Sandy, what would happen if we ran out of Coke Zero?
He would be an unbearable 2-year-old child having a temper tantrum. That's really what it would be.
Dinner's on the boat. I don't care if it's breakfast, lunch, or dinner. You see that sunset coming up, man? Unbelievable. Anyways, dinner's on the boat tastes so good. It's not like eating at home. No. These taste way better. They're simple meals, and they're so good. One other thing about Coca-Cola, guys. If you're going to invest in something, invest in Coca-Cola. Trust me. Not only does it taste great, but it's a good investment. Besides that, I'm going to change the subject again. We're using these dehydrated mushrooms, okay? And they work out great. You buy them at Costco down here, but you can't get them at Costco at home, right?
Well, I haven't seen them. Now, Wellesley has said she's seen them, but I have not. And they are extremely handy, and they almost taste like bits of meat because they're large pieces of a variety of different types of mushrooms.
These dehydrated mushrooms from Costco, 2 thumbs up. Yeah. Or 1 thumb up anyway. We'll do 2 thumbs up. 3 thumbs up. Yeah, they got my my approval. And the Costco thing. Costco, another good investment. We're gonna have to break shortly to do the photo session. Well, we're heading back to Georgetown, and what we got to do is we have to clean the boat. Yeah, it's got it's got bird shit all over it now, but it's got a salty film over everything.
Yeah.
And we gotta. It's just so icky when you touch everything on the outside. Here, actually, that's one thing about salt water is it leaves this film, and if you don't rinse your clothes off, it doesn't dry. Yeah, I'm sure you guys know the story. So we're going back there so we can have an abundance of fresh water, fuel up again, just to get some fuel. Not that we're using much fuel. The sailing here has been great. And
we're almost ready.
And we got to pick up company. We got to pick up Wellesley soon. Another adventure. Because she's bringing our granddaughter Lisbon with her. And her husband, of course.
Hi, monkey girl. How are you?
And look at the size of these mushrooms here. They were dehydrated in a jar, and then they expand. It's like magic. Check it out. Are we gonna do the green flash?
Let's see if we get a green flash tonight. Are you ready? Comes. No.
No, we didn't. No, it's just the haze over there, right?
Yeah, no green flash, but gorgeous. Okay, everybody, so this is I'm going to say, not a precursor, but a follow-up as to John's complaint. Listen to him complaining because I'm going to blast him. Oh, yeah. So, here we go. John complains he has no clothes on here. But, hey, this is a whole closet full of stuff. Look at all this. And this is just the closet he doesn't even wear. So, yeah. Negative, John Gomes. You have plenty of clothes. You just choose not to wear them. That's all.
Thanks a lot for watching. And we'll see you next time. Okay? All right. Bye-bye. Toodaloo. Ciao.
Ciao, Bella.
Okay.